Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the failed format protection error on Cash App using your phone. This error usually happens when Cash App detects something unusual for your protection, like a new device, unusual transaction, or potential security risks. Make sure the cash tag, phone number, or email is correct. Also check that your link card or bank account is active. If your account is unverified, Cash App may block transaction. Go to Profile. After that, tap on Personal and follow prompts to verify your identity using your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Open the Cash App and try making the payment from your device normally used with Cash App. Using a new device or network can trigger the error. Make sure your app is up to date. Go to the App Store, tap on the profile at the top right, scroll down and see Cash App and tap Update if available. And that's it. By verifying your account, checking your details, updating the app can fix the failed format protection error on Cash App using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.